music tastes shine with premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad, without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
All right, guys. It's good to be back. This is a Monday morning. Let's see what we can do today. So we're looking at the charts. We're seeing what the chart is telling us right now. It's good to be back. It's good to have everyone back in the charts. It's good to be back. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let me know where you're commenting from. Give the stream a like. Give the stream a comment. Just let me know where you're streaming from, guys. Let's jump over to our streams. Let's get started. Let's get it started, guys. Let's get it started. So this is gold, this is gold, this is gold, this is gold daily time frame, and I'm going to do a proper breakdown for you guys so we can get the day started. Let's see what gold is all about. Let's see what the gold is telling us. So first of all, let's look at gold on the weekly time frame. Let's look at the weekly. That's the first thing we need to pop up. So we see gold weekly time frame. We see that this current candle look as if it started with no bottom week, but it's still pushing, broken above the previous week, and you can see some bullish momentum to the upside. So you can see previous week gold struggled to give us a selling opportunity but failed to do that multiple times. So let's drop down to the daily time frame and let's see what the daily is telling us. So the daily time frame, we have a massive break of structure. Price has broken above this resistance level, and you can see how the strong bullish candle is. If I measure that candle alone, you can see it's over 600 pip, close to 700 pip. So if I drop down to the 4 hours time frame, what can the 4 hours tell me? The 4 hours can tell me that price has closed bullish multiple times. You can see the current 4 hours too is also bullish, and we have about 2 hours left for this candle to close, and you can see how it's currently pushing. So this is what we are working with right now, and this is what we have right now. So let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame, because we need to look for how we can enter any trade and look for opportunities where we can get into any trade. So that's what we're going to do right now. So looking at it on the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, I can see that we have like a resistance level here that price broke above, and we also have a level that price is also coming to retest, and it's few ways, like few pips to it. So if I measure from where the high is, the previous high, this is the high it created, so this range, you have about 36 pips for price to cover that range. So that's what we have. So let's drop down to the 30 minutes. Let's see what the 30 minutes is doing as well. So the 30 minutes price is looking like it wants to create a resistance level, which is good because you can see that price has been giving us just some bullish candle, and the only opportunity I can see from this range, from this mile away, is this level here and this level as well. So this is the only place I can see us having a decent setup, like probably break above the structure, stop loss around this level. So this is what I can see we have. So what can we do right now? Let's drop down to the 15 minutes. Let's see if we actually have any structure in 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, we can see that we actually have a support level here on the 15, and we also have a resistance level above here on the 15. So this is now the range we are working with. So this is the range we are working with. So let's scale down to the let's look to our left. Let's see if where we marked up is the actual place that I want price to reset. So this is perfect. You can, if you really zoom in here, you can see that this is like a rejection area where price can reject from, and that's what we're monitoring right now. So let's see how that plays out. Let's see if we will get anything, and let's see if we'll be able to place a trade. But for now, there's nothing. We're just waiting, we're just chilling, and it's Monday. It's basically Monday. So let's see how we gonna do on a Monday morning. So wherever you're commenting from, just let me know. Drop a like on stream and let me know where you're reaching out from. Just let me know. Show the stream some love, guys. So we have few seconds to the end of the candle. So let's see how the candle closed. Then we know what we're doing. But for now, there's nothing going on. We just have to wait and see what's going on. But for now, there's nothing going on, guys. Nothing going on. So we can hold on, guys. Let me bring out my tools, the last tools I need to use for this. Hold on 1 second. Let me see. Let me draw like a diagram of what I want price to do. In case I see those levels and those setup, I can look to place some trades and look for opportunities. But for now, you can, like I said, this is just the range we're working with. Price is very bullish, so you can anticipate price to cover some levels. But for now, there's nothing going on, so you can adjust all this level, this low. Also have, if I'm not mistaken, you also have this here as well. So this is what I'm working with. So the candle has closed. It closed weak bearish. So let's see if the next candle can print a bullish candle. Let's see if we can push a bullish candle. So let's see. You just have to just wait. Have to just wait and see how they move. You could break this low and start pumping to the downside. That's something else you can see on gold. But we're waiting. We have about 15 minutes to the open. We have about 15 minutes to the open of London Open. So let's see if we can get a bullish closure. If I'm not mistaken, we also have this here as well. So this wait guys, this is where we wait. This is where we wait. I have to just wait. Actually, there's nothing we can do. We wait. Wait guys. See how many attempts for price has done to actually continue pushing upward, but has failed multiple times. So there's nothing we can do right now. We just have to wait and see how the candles play out. Give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like, leave a comment, and just give the stream a like and leave a comment, guys. Leave a stream a like, guys. Live. Let's see, waiting for the closure of this candle. Let's see if we can get anything. Waiting, guys. 11 more minutes. Let's see what's going to happen in 11 minutes. So I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on what will happen. This range alone is 100 people range, but let's see if price also wants to create a level of support here. Let's see. We have about 11 more minutes, so this can actually feel bearish and start pushing to the downside, or it breaks above the top and start going to the upside. So that's one of which price can actually do right now. So we're going to observe and see which one is which, and we're going to know exactly what we're going to do. But we have about 3 more minutes, so we just have to wait for the candle to close. Then when the candle close, you'll know if you're going to get anything or it's not going to be a daily trade. So that's one of which that's going to happen right now. That's one of which is going to happen right now. So this is what I'm talking about, and this is what I want gold to do. This is what I'm talking about. So that different things that can happen here. But if gold can close bullish, I know the range is a bit small, but if gold can close bullish above this level in the next 10 minutes like this, and with London open and London volume, we get a retest and the flip of the candle, you can look for impulse entry, continuation for price will actually keep pushing to the upside. That's where we'll look to get for getting for buys on gold. But what's going to happen now is if this candle creates a support level and fails to break above as well, and we get a red candle closing below this range like this, then we can look for a retest and we can look to sell gold to the downside back to range, because we have been on a rally. Gold has been pushing up heavily, so let's see how we can look to cash an entry or look for a trade. But for now, nothing we can do here. If price decides to break above and start pushing heavily, then we miss the move, then there's no entry for us. So I'm looking at GJ earlier before I came on stream. Okay, first of all, it didn't close the way I was expecting this candle to close, and you guys can anticipate. Let's look at the range from. Let's go to the left and look at what's good. What is doing? Okay, the law of range. Oh, never mind. Never mind about GJ. Never mind about GJ. So let's just wait and see how gold plays out. We have about 9 more minutes or 8 minutes. It has come back. You can see gold has retested this level with gold has retested this level multiple times, but has failed to actually. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th time now it is retesting that level. So he has retested it multiple times but failed to actually continue with the direction. So let's just wait 8 minutes and let's see exactly what it does. Then we know what we're going to do. Seven more minutes. You can also get something like this. Let's see. Let's look at it in 30 minutes. Let's see. Okay, nothing in 30 minutes actually. There's nothing in 30 minutes. You actually have to wait for, if anything, you have to actually wait for 30 minutes, a bearish candle. So wait for a bearish candle in 30 minutes. But for now, we wait, guys. We actually wait for something. Yeah, when we get it, we might, we likely just look to jump into the trade and look how we can make some money. If you're just tuning in to the stream, give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like, leave a comment. Give the stream a like, leave a comment, guys. So currently our follow on YouTube is 334, and have like it's not bad, but it's also not good. So it's kind of poor. We have a very low following on YouTube. So the goal is for us to try and get to 500 before December, and let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can get to 500 for December, so we can do some giveaway. Like I said, I'm going to be giving out Profem. So I'm going to be giving out 5k Profem to 3 people. So let's see how we can do that. Let's see how we can get the stream to YouTube 500 by December, so we can give out Profem. It could be like my Christmas gift. If we don't get to 500, that's it. I'm asking for much, man. Let's see how we can do that. So, you guys, if you don't mind, you can share the stream. Let's get it to more people. Let's get more people here, because a lot of people need to see what's going on here. A lot of people don't know what's going on here. It's only you guys that tune in every day that know what's going on here. So let's also get it to a lot of people. Let them know what's actually going on, so we can start doing what we need to do. Five more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Give me 1 second. I'll be back. 5 more minutes. All right, guys. We have 2 more minutes to the end of this candle. 2 more minutes left. So what's going to happen is, if we get this, because I was looking at it for a moment. Let's just do this. Let's do this. So this is the 1 hour. 1 hour is looking like it's flipping bearish right now. And if we jump down to the 30 minutes as well, we can see the 30 minutes too is looking like it's flipping bearish as well. You get me? So let's see if the 15 minutes and 30 minutes can close strong bearish below. So if this candle can close strong bearish below, and 30 minutes to close strong bearish below, what I want price to do on gold is, if I can get some retracement, it's little retracement to the upside, and the flip of the candle breaking wherever the low is, I'll look for a sell. I would like to put a sell stop for price to actually continue pushing to the downside. So this is what I'm anticipating, and this is what I want price to do. So let's see if we're going to get that, and we know exactly what's next. We have about 1 more minute, so let's see. So get ready, guys. Get ready, guys. Get ready. You might likely get a sell. Okay, price is actually retracing back, so it might be nothing. Actually, it might be nothing to worry about. Okay, I think this might be nothing to worry about. This is what I've been complaining about. Gold has been doing his own thing of rates. So the 1 hour is bullish, closing bullish back. 30 minutes is also indecision candle, but bullish as well. So at this point, I don't think there's any entry for us. The only thing I like about this is that price has created a support level for us. So we have a support now on the 15 minutes. Price has actually created a support level on the 15 minutes. Though the 15 minutes, the support level comes with a lot of weak rejection to the up and to the downside, but it's a support level. So okay, 30 minutes close bearish. 30 minutes close bearish. So let's see. Hopefully this doesn't weak too much. Let's see if we can get a position. Today is Monday. We shouldn't be doing too much. I don't know if today is Monday. So let's see. Today is Monday. Let's see. No trades, we're just waiting. Actually just waiting, guys. Long coming with the volume. You can see a lot of volume is pushing in right now, pushing price to the upside. Price that retraced about more than 60% of that candle. So we have a strong resistance here. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. Just know that with the volume that I'm seeing right now, we might actually legitly miss this move. Might miss this move. So just put in your mind that price might just break above and start pumping heavy to the upside. So we might actually miss this move, guys. We might actually miss this move. But it is what it is. So let's see. Oh, it's pushing back down. Is it pushing back down? I'm having like second feeling about this. Like if I should even bother or should just call it, because because of the way the candles are moving, the way the candles are printing, it's not the best. It's not what I want to be getting myself involved in. But we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting, guys. Ten more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes. If you have any question, feel free to ask me any question you feel like you want me to answer. Just feel free to ask me. But for now, there's nothing going on. We're just looking at the charts, and hopefully, we get something soon or later. But for now, there's nothing going on this trade. I'm looking at this trade now. I'm seeing that there will have been a possible trade here. But let's look at it on the 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, it will have actually be a trade here. Break of high. This is a 15 minutes break of high, and you have actually got like 50 people of this trade. Oh, wow, that's nice. So 9 more minutes, guys. Let's see what price does. Let's see what price does. So the 5 minutes close within the range, so not too much. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. W's in chat, guys. Even though I'm not getting any trade, just put some W's in chat. Okay, now we're seeing like price is about to break above the range. Okay, it has broken above. We've gotten a break. So let's see, guys. But waiting, like I said, we might actually miss the move, so just know that, just have that in back of your mind, because this is 30 minutes. 30 minutes ends with institution candle, so this is like just bearish continuation. We might actually miss the move, so just hold on, just hold on. If we miss the move, we miss the move. We just call it a day and come back tomorrow. But if we don't, if price decide to reject back and close slightly, okay, TP hit already. TP hit like where we want to put our take profit has been hit already. But it's all good, it's all good. It's all good. I know. I really had a feeling that something like this will happen. You get? I had a feeling, me knowing how good it is, but I don't want. Like I said, I don't want to start doing training gold in a certain way that you guys will now be like, what's going on? Do you understand? So because gold definitely go back to its normal way, unless this is a new way. You understand? It has been doing like this for 2 months. So let's see if it's going to keep up like this. You get? So I don't want to enter a trade like that. You drop our win rates. You get? You have placed the buy stop above here. Price has obviously gotten to where it wants to go to. So this is 6 more minutes. Let's see.
Spotify Premium is the best way to upgrade your listening experience. Enjoy your music fully when you play songs in any order. Download them offline at higher quality and listen to them ad-free. It's what your ears deserve. Tap the banner to learn more.
So we can see the massive retracing. Price is retracing heavy. Retracing heavy. Hopefully the retracement is not. Let's measure this. This candle might just. This is 5 minutes. This candle might just flip bullish and start pushing to the upside. This is a 5 minutes candle. But let's hold on. Let's hold on, guys. Let's hold on. Let's hold on. One second, guys. I'll be back and we continue from. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes to the end of this candle. 2 more minutes to the end of this candle, guys. Two more minutes to the end of this candle, guys. Are we going to get price closing like that, and are we going to get a like one price like this? It's going to be a weak fill. Then next one like come down a bit so we can put stop loss, and in flip of the candle we can look to buy. So this is what we want. This is like a clean breakout strategy. So let's see. Hopefully this candle close well. Let's measure the wick and the candle. So let's see. It has to close bullish above, guys. It has to close bullish above. If it does like this, then apparently we'll just call it a day. It has to actually close above. So this can be a retest to continue pushing bullish, but it has to actually close above. I need to close bullish bullish above. For me to consider this trade, I need it to close bullish above. For me to continue, like for us to look for opportunities to buy, it means can to close bullish. Just close bullish above this resistance level. Yeah, not just bullish, it has to actually close above this resistance level, guys. That's the only way we can enter it. You can see the Y is already rejecting, so I doubt that we would actually get an entry at this point. One more minute. Few more seconds left, guys. Few more seconds left. So I think we might actually get something here. Price is just pushed up. So let me start putting things in order so we can look to place a trade. Let me start putting things in order so we can actually look to place a trade, guys. Alright, guys, what we need price rejecting down, coming down, then we look to place a buy stop. Trading price coming down first, then look to place a buy stop. So guys, I'm sending out the trade down. I sent it out. So this is where we put our buy stop. That's a massive drop. I sent out the trade, guys. I'm on delete order. There's no trade here. Delete order. Okay, I'm even feeling like price came down here to create a bottom wick. That's what I'm seeing right now. And oh damn. Let's see. Leave the same order, guys. Just maintain the order. Maintain the order, guys. Maintain the order. Do not delete anything. Just maintain the order. I feel like price just came down to create a bottom wick because the candle didn't have a bottom wick. It didn't have a decent bottom wick when it started. So I feel like price just came down to do that. And if you actually flip bullish, it's going to pop. So let's see if let's see how the 5 minutes close. Hopefully 5 minutes close bullish. I want the 5 minutes to close bullish, so it's easy for us to continue the buys. If you don't get that, price this candle now push down the way I spoke about, then you can look for sales. For now, we're just waiting. Remember, I said if this candle close bearish below the structure, then you can anticipate sales. So for now, but we haven't gotten anything yet. Or most likely, the way the candle is moving. Alright, guys, this should go to end soon. Delete order now, guys. Delete order. Actually, delete order. Delete the order, guys. It's not valid. It's not actually valid. Let's quickly look at DJ. What did you doing? What did you? How did 15 minutes close? Okay, you have to actually wait for this candle now to close bullish above. You have to wait for the candle to close bullish above. Although it came back to do the retest here, so it might actually drive from this point. But that's I think that's it for me. That's it for me for today. So that's it for me, guys. We tried. We've been streaming for how long? How long have we been streaming for? Okay, it's been 15 minutes. So that's it, guys. That's it. This is GJ. So you have to wait for closure for GJ, then look for a retest, then you can look to buy. Or I think I'm done. I'm done for the day. So see you guys tomorrow.